The HewSaw R200 1.1 V1 is a versatile small log sawing machine. The installation at Lappi Timber in Kemijärvi, Finland is an extremely fast sawing line with feed speeds reaching 220 meters per minute. The sawmill in Kemijärvi is a completely new production unit commissioned in 2014 and located above the polar circle in Finnish Lapland. The high-capacity log handling facility is required to feed 40 to 50 logs per minute to the sawing line. In Kemijärvi, the sawing line is based on a cut-to-length method with accurate log sorting in the log yard. The sawmill in-feed also features a VK5000 debarker. The saw line operator controls the log in-feed, debarking and sawing. The controls are fully duplicated at a control panel next to the saw machine in order for the operator to be able to control all functions while close to the R200 machine. The next operator in the production flow is positioned at the lumber handling area. The production concept of Lappi Timber is based on the production of glued laminated timber. 100% of the raw material consists of logs between 3.1 and 4.1 meters and in the diameter range of 14 to 24 centimeters. The HewSaw R200 1.1 V1 supports this production seamlessly, performing long back sawing with fixed saw patterns at very high speeds. The saw line operates at feed speeds between 70 and 220 meters per minute. The HewSaw scanning and optimization determines the optimum log rotation, controlled curve sawing and sideboard optimization for every log. Rotary log orientation is an accurate, simple and reliable way to optimize the log positioning for chipping, sawing and edging in the HewSaw R200 1.1 sawing machine. The logs are processed from unprocessed log blocks to ready sawn goods with a single pass. The log is fed into the machine by the in-feed wheels and the in-feed chains. These feed works are also controlling the controlled curve sawing. First, the log is chipped on all four sides. Directly after the chipping, the cant is sawn in the movable saw assembly unit into centerpieces and sideboards. The sideboards are then optimized edged in the edging unit. All functions are servo-controlled with extreme precision. The sawn goods are then transferred to a high-capacity sorting line. Up to 200 pieces per minute are handled in the lumber sorting plant. The HewSaw R200 1.1 V1 is producing first-class pulp chips even at high sawing speeds. The chips and the sawdust are screened and then directed on conveyors to separate chip and sawdust storage bins. The machine opens lengthwise for easy access when tool changes are required. The machine opens in two places, making saw blade changes and knife changes fast and easy. When all the servicing is complete, the HewSaw closes and production can resume. The motor control center is included in the supply by HewSaw and consists of the latest available technology. In the hydraulic room stands the hydraulic power unit, which is also supplied by HewSaw. The whole saw line is fenced and meets all modern requirements for a safe working environment. The service platforms on top of the sawing machine are accessible when the machine is stopped. The platforms are welcomed by the service crews for easy access to the checkpoints. With its compact and integrated design, the HewSaw R200 1.1 V1 is a robust and reliable workhorse for sawing large volumes of small logs. High feed speeds and short log gaps provide very high capacity and production. The HewSaw R200 1.1 V1 is the optimal choice for small log sawing.